Bryn Hondau, a croeso I Gaerdydd. Good afternoon. Welcome to Cardiff and to your 2026 graduation ceremony. Laura Trevelyan Idwi, Cenhedlo'r Prifysgol Gaerdydd. I'm Laura Trevelyan and I have the great honour of being the Chancellor of Cardiff University. First of all, Tlongavachiadau, congratulations to all of you, our brilliant class of 2026. Woo! I was a postgraduate journalism student here back in 1990, and Cardiff University gave me a career, a husband, lifelong friends and colleagues, and now the privilege of being your Chancellor. I couldn't be more grateful for everything that Cardiff has given to me, and I hope that Cardiff will underpin your lives in the way that it has mine. Today, we're celebrating the achievements of students in two of our schools, computer science and informatics, and mathematics. In computer science and informatics, you've developed an understanding of computer systems, networks, and programs at a deep level, with a knowledge of how they're transforming science, business, culture, and every aspect of life. You are well positioned in this era of AI. Those in our School of Mathematics have developed strong analytical and problem-solving skills, which are vital for tackling the challenges of our data-driven era. Your Cardiff qualification tells the world that you're ambitious and passionate and brilliant. Embark on the next stage of your journey with all of the confidence that should bring. And thank you for everything that you've brought to your school and to your university community. We're very proud of you all. Right now, though, you're in this liminal state. But when you cross this stage in a short while, you'll do so as a Cardiff graduate. Cardiff will always be your university, and we hope that you'll be an ambassador for this institution and come back often as alumni. More on that from me once you graduate. Family and friends of the class of 2026, well done to you too, and thank you for being here today. It makes your graduate's day even more special, and when they cross the stage, please put your hands together for them. For now, though, everybody sit back, enjoy the ceremony, and cherish this moment. It's special. You've all grown up together, enjoying everything Cardiff has to offer, from YOLO nights at the Students' Union, to swatting in the library, to the odd pint at the Woody, maybe. And now you're going out into the world. Well done to you all. Mein blessure, Genev Gavloino, Owen Sean. I now have the pleasure of introducing Owen Sean. Owen will read the proclamation and a poem by Wales's inaugural national poet, Gwyneth Lewis. Many of you may have encountered Gwyneth's work on the front of the Wales Millennium Centre, literally the biggest poem in the world. Gwyneth has been writer-in-residence at the university's School of Physics and Astronomy and is now an honorary fellow. The poem Education was specially commissioned by Cardiff University. I give you Owain.
Education by Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddia feiddio, gwella dy wneud. Myna geisio, parcha ddweud. Trawsnewidiad fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol, mentro bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is simple delight in mind and its motions. Scintillates, but isn't deceptive. Admits the joys of institutes, is the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortest distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. Byddaf nawr yn darllen y proclamasiwn yn gyntaf yn Gymraeg ac yna'n Saesneg. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodau. Bydde dwybod i holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar draws y byd bod cynulliad Prifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym Mhrifddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod Siarter Frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod i dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny sydd, yn rhinwedd eu hastudiaethau a'i hysgol heictod, wedi harchwirio'n briodol yn ôl statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Dathlwn lwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad hwn, ac wrth wneud hynny, fe'i hatgoffwn o'i cyfrifoldeb i rannu gwerthoedd y Brifysgol hon. Hwy sydd i geisio, trwy cyflawniadau, gwasanaethu lles pawb, ymdrechu am ragoriaeth ym mhob peth, ac ofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Parchwch ddoeth uneb, gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation, and in doing so, remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek, through their achievements, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence on all things, and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation.
Shmai. I'm Hanan, your Vice President International Students at Cardiff Students' Union this past year. Congratulations, Lankavagyadai. It is a privilege to be standing here today celebrating not only your academic achievements, but also the incredible community you have built along the way. Whether you found your place through a job, a club, a society, or your course, these are the friendships that will stay with you for years to come. We know it hasn't been easy to get here. Each of you has faced challenges and overcome obstacles to reach this moment, but you made it, and that is something to be truly proud of. Today is about celebrating every individual journey that brought you here. As you look back on your time at Cardiff, I hope you do so with a strong sense of belonging and pride. For many of you, this was your first time moving away from home, whether from Pontypridd, Portsmouth, or even Peru. Wherever you came from, Cardiff has become a part of your story, and no matter where life takes you next, you will always have a home here. You're not leaving Cardiff with just a degree. You're leaving with life experiences, opportunities, and memories that will last a lifetime. Whether it was pulling all-nighters in the ASSL, late-night YOLOs, or quiet walks and coffee in Butte Park, you made it through. You may or may not know exactly what you're doing next, but as you step into the next chapter, carry with you the resilience you developed and the memories you've cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you're equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your life, and we wish you all the best. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Lankavagyadai. Congratulations, class of 2026.
Bryn Handa, good afternoon. Eithro Wendy Lana dwi, his gang Hethlo Prifysgol Caerdydd. I'm Wendy Lana and I have the enormous privilege of being the Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University. I'm delighted that today my job is to warmly welcome all the students to receive their awards. This is the part of the ceremony we've been waiting for, where the students' names are read out by a senior member of the university. Please do celebrate the achievements of our students as they cross the stage, clapping, cheering, perhaps even a little whooping. Once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, they will be asked to stand. It is our tradition for me to speak in Welsh to receive each group of graduates to their awards. The Welsh phrase I will use when translated means, through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges this confers. Congratulations. Toi ardurod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol, dybaniach chi a gael eich dyfaniad ar hol ffrentiau a ddaw yn ysgol, Llongyfarchiadau. I will now introduce Dr. Catherine Jones, Head of the School of Computer Science and Informatics, who will present the students for their awards.
I, Dr. Catherine Jones, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Artin Abdullahi Mahavi. Salma Abdullahi. Talal Ali Abifirez. Saif Abzindar. Aslan Ahmad. Basil Hamad. Sami Ait Cassis. Kirill Akbalatov. Mohammed Al-Hosseini. Abdulaziz Al-Baiji. Gala Hazwaz Alawaz Al-Barazi. Hussam Khalid Al-Ghamdi. Hannah Al-Husani. Anisa Ali. Zina Al-Jarrah. Sabal Hussein Al-Jabor. Abdul Rahman Al-Kabi. Narayan Al-Qadi. Sama Al-Masraf. Hamad Abdul Rahman Al-Anma. Sarah Al-Rafai. Noor Al-Slani. Abdul Rahman Al-Sharami. Dana Al-Shatti. Chidi Al-Nagor. Ziad Al-Rafi. Aliza Arif. Sama Huan Zhao. Luke Ashford. Kirsten Ashmead. Thomas Brown. Mohammed Ali Sada Asif. Zakaria Atala. Faraz Amin Azizi. Tia Bannister. Kip Anthony Hill Bachelor. Bichara Conrad Birmingham. Callum Best. Dennis Borger. Mohammed Sultan Altanji Balaji. Harrison Carter Boone. Nathaniel Robert Bradshaw. Thomas Isaac William Brander. Jack Santiago Brockenhurst Reed. Brydian Brown. Frankie Buck. Morgan Burke. Irvin Zachary Cabrera. Joe King. Sam Carter. Ethan Cartwright. Ayab Shahid. Pinhan Chen. Nagxing Chloe Sheng. Sanjana Chidipudi. Ellie Cogley. Zahib Amin Kohan. Adam Chow. Ed Charles Christie. Tom Clapham. Awaz Coelho. David Cole. Ewan Coles Tolwa. Bertie Collins, Matthew Collins, Lewis Cornelius, Lucas Coxall, James Akbar Craig Mirani, Daniel Crook, Ewan Crowley, Abdirahim, Taryn Curtis, Edward Daft, Michael Davare, Lucy Dangerfield, Joshua Davis, Natalie Davis, William Davis, Daniel Davis, Joshua Luke Davis, Zach Dimitriades, Alexander James Allen Dempster Dalton, Eleanor Rhianwen Dew, Morgan Dement, Harley Doe, Jack Downey, Michael Patrick Drury, David Duroshola, Orma Elmi, Juliana Milane Emberson Lato, Zach Esposito, David Michael Farmery, Louis James Fauchette, Keegan Fernandez, Thajana Fernando, Kieran Flynn, Chun Lok Fong, Joseph Franklin, Finn Gallagher, Sharia, Dominic George, William George, Orion Gassamy Taba Tabai, William Godfrey, Matteo Goldsmith Moulin, Liam Gormley, Lewis Matthew Goldsborough, Harris Gratton, Thomas Greenwood, Jacob George Haig, Patrick Hajkowski, Caden David Harries, Danielle Harrison, Raz Hassan, Sultan Manjaba Hassan, Michael James Hayward, Ernest William Aubrey Hurd, William Hewson, Benjamin Hockley, James Holt, Tamsin Howe, Danielle McGann, Jade Howell, Ethan Hudson, Barnaby Hughes, Taylor, Owen Wade Hughes, Etanine Hurley, Nasri Ibrahim, Louis Gail Igarta, Jamal Karim Ikram, Isra Ishmael, Christina Israelian, Arnav Jain, Benjamin Archie Jones, Caris Jones, Jack Jones, James Jordan, Heledd Jubb, Heritica Carlia, Eustace Carmen Stackus, Jaden Kanna Gatnam, Akshay Jayant Karsan, Yash Kirti, Rowan Karkar, Junaid Khan, Haris Ahmed Khan, Jazim Khan, Diane Khan, William King, Angelos Kiosopoulos, Kasper Kruchevsky, Sebastian Latham, Kawai Ryan Lau, Ying Lau, William Thomas Leach, Carl Liang, Nikki Leong, Rai Wyn Lewis, Reese Lewis, Cameron Emma Lowy, Timothy Lux, William Linford, Robert McAlpine, Catherine Mackenzie, Kelvin Takudazwa Mahaja, Darshan Mahendran, Eric Minor, Joel Marshtrim, Fabio Mazzulli Becker, Lewis McClure, Freddie Mackay, Rachel Metters, Alex Milligan, Hamza Miznani, Ghulam Mohiuddin, Tiago Moiko, Frederick Molesworth St. Alban, Benjamin Lewis Morgan, Liban Ali Musa, Luke Gabriel Giuliano Navarra, Baishi Rushan Guko Mabevni Nagada, Ching King Nang, Joshua Noble, Illyri May Northeast, Lucy Oakes, Connor O'Hagan, Caden Oldfield, Oluwabani Elena Neka Onekomaya, Mingza Ong, Ronan Osborne, Philip O, Joe Pedley, Emma Marie Phelps, Luke David Pinson, Jack Pope, Genevieve Parayel, Matthew Purvis, Abraham Rahman, Adashri Rajbandari, Rishi Ram, Ali Ahmed R. Ramadan, Onorang Rana, Anya Raval, Amor Raza, Harun Raza, Noor Raza, Benjamin Reed, Akwiyal Rahman, Deborah Raleigh Poku, Adrian Earl Rivera, Christian Roberts, Jamel Rohoman, Alonzo Kumuel Maxford Juni O'Russell, Matthew Russell, Zach Rutherford, Agnieszka Sabat, Katerina Sarah Saint, Joel Saju, Solomon Mothkir Mohammed Salil, Scott Sandbrook, Ella Seya, Kian Shah, Sanye Shatil Shah, Zahira Shahrul Azman, Mohammed Shamsaldin, Ishmael Shokat Lopez, Archie John Shemmings, Lakshmi Kashiraja Sekar, Aifion Selith, Callum John Smith, Jonty Spall, Josh Devon Spencer, Jack Stacey, Samuel Stanford, Daniel James Suckling, Dion Shiraba, Baron Tang, Daniel Tenoris, Aaron Tarling, Bethan Thomas, Daniel Kirkloyd Thomas, Mackenzie Thomas Cox, Priyumi Fato Badoge, Kathleen Townsend, Isaac Theo Duckworth True, David Siri Twigger, Sahad Al-Ula, Lucas Alexander von Mullen-Brown, Dylan Adam John Ways, Gregor Watson, Oscar George Webster, Catherine West, Jasper Stephen Wilkes, James Michael Williams, Rhys Evan Williams, Shimon Vudakiewicz, Jonathan Wandimu, Wong Ye Cheng, Justin Woodham, Zi Liang Woon, Ayish Yelam Balsi, Jia Boyin, Jason Wei-Man Zhao, Jia Tuangzhou, I, Dr. Catherine Jones, introduce those who have received the degree of Master in Science. Farhad Hamad. Samuel Berry. Holly Burgess. James Andrew Kellaway Davis. Patrick Miroslav Gluchevich. Benjamin Hacker. Juliana Karyovanova. Ben King. Thomas Morgan Light. Chanaksh Nimgade. Adam Alif Parsons. Shashvat Pranoy. Will Scully. Thomas James Turner.
I, Dr. Jonathan Thompson of the School of Mathematics, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Joseph Adamson. Amira Adan. Zubaida Ahmed. Adnan Akhtar. Ryan Andrade. Nurkat Asilabek. Thomas Aston. Frankie Barder. William Peter Bailey. Phoebe Bannon. Grace Lily Baston. Samantha Jane Bayliss. Samuel Bentley. Lucy Betts. Adnan Baylor. George Bukit. Seth Bowley. Alexander Hewell Bucknell. Heather Chambers. Adjan Chowdhury. Holly Elizabeth Clark. Claire Clifford. Amelie Cottrell. Benjamin Cowan. Daisy Curl. Tom Daly. Claire Myrion Davis. Rowan Davis. Harry Dorr. Abby Deadman. Luke Dukutho. Leo Dorgauka. Daniel Dominguez. Lou Adrian Avina Domengiano. Troy Dos Santos. Arda Dramali. William Dudman. Clara Sophie Duncan. Fardine Elacola. Oliver Ellis. Emily Evans. Elizabeth Laura Forbert. Ichiso Mary Forbes. Hannah Ford. Harrison Hideteshi Fry. Jodie Fennell. Robert George. Spike Glennon. Thomas Goodson. Ellie Sophie Grant. Reuben Griesel. Sebastian Terry Grills. Millicent Summer Guy. Asima Hamid. Ellen Harper. Peter Harrison. Will Harvey. Abigail Hatch. Harry Henwood. Molly Higgins. Oliver William Richard Hobbs. Leah May Holland. Matthew Howarth. Davith Hughes. Phoebe Roslyn Hume. Orion Jane. Samuel James. Evie Jones. Gareth Jones. Samuel Jones. James Keeble. Benjamin Kendall. Adib Kia. Kinney Natman. Tanishq Kumar. Lance Jude Lousy. Anthony Matthew Lawrence. Ethan Lawton. Sophia Lister. Hamish Lloyd. Amina Laura Mannon. Miran Maratani. Aman Marwaha. Annabelle Mai. Tom Mugarel. Grace McKenna. Kira Messina. Abby Miles. Jacob Meeson. Kial Meestri. Olivia Daisy Moore. Alex Rees Morgan. Oliver Morris. Miharan Nadim. Lily Nan. Isabella Nash. George William Naunton. Tia Ngosi. Thomas Nielsen. Sebastian Adadi. Michaela O'Neill. Charlie Orbell. Matthew Owen. Rory Owen. Frank Perez. Millie Poltney. Maya Pootney. Chloe Powell. Kai Alexander Powell. Jake Preston. George Leonard Prothero. Andre Rogozin. Thomas Tudor Ransom Williams. Natalia Robinson. Courtney Rogers. Laura Elizabeth Ruddick. Megan Sanderson. Theo Scott. Ibrahim Shafiq. Cooper Shannon. Adam Sharif. Avani Sharma. TJ Simpson. Rishan Singh. Toby Steer. William Stevens. Anna Stojanovic. Magdu Selek. Felix Sinnott. Kieran George Taylor. Ruby Katie Thames. Clara Thompson. Reese Tucker. Holly Christabel Turner. Summer Vowell. Joseph Tiernan Ward. Rose Alexandra Warren. Thomas Watson. Harrison Westcott. Thomas Westby. Alex Whalen. Eve Williamson. Murray Wyatt. Henry Young. I, Dr. Jonathan Thompson, introduce those who have received the degree of Master in Mathematics. Xavier Austin. Yuan Bleasdale. Norbert Beauratin. Thomas Edward Chapman. Maxwell Clark Lewis. Finley John Clift. Isaac Thomas Davis. Alexander Griffiths. Arthur Harvey. Bradley Jones. Rhys James Keir. Jaden Mahoney. Sadie Manifold. Abby Walden. Oscar Barnaby Wheeler. I, Dr. Jonathan Thompson, introduce those who have received the degree of Master in Mathematics, Operational Research and Statistics. Matthew Barclay. Aaron Wheel. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Will all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to. Toi ar dyrod a raddwyd y mi Cennig Brifysgol, dyfaniad chi a gael, dyfaniad a hol ffrintiau, a ddaw en esgel, llongyffaciadau. Please be seated.
I, Professor Gavin Chaddock, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Science. Abhinav Anurag. Aisha Abdimaladad Abdiralizat. Abdul Samaid. Jakub Mijek Adabask. Banu Prakash Adireddy. Saeed Aryan Agra. Mohammed Ahmed. Hassan Iqbal Akram. Sophia Nuria Al-Husseini. Taha Mutsada Ali. Murat Khan Al-Khan. Shaika Ali Abdullah Al-Shani. Priscilla Telma Soares Andre. Charles Barnaby Patrick Andrews. Pavan Kalyak Ala Mulaji Kandrapa. Mohamed Uzair Arif. Alejandro Ario. Samuel Ashman. Sameh Teja Avuru. Juan Andres Ayuke Arenas. Mutaz Ayesh. Maha Babur. Samantha Ball. Harry Basra. Batula Elizabeth. Thomas Beck. Byron Biggs. Saprito Daniel Aniche Briggs. Umar Shadab. Rana Chakmak. Rhys Canton. Dylan Katone. Daharanesh Kadratwaskada. Kieran C. James. Mariam Alusha Avanmi Ali. William Clark. Tanya Louise Costa Lopez. Mihi Kurchun. Becca Fleur Davis. Fionn Cariad Davis. Harrison James Davis. Rodri Davis. Tammy Davis. June Darrell. Hugh Dowling. Sarah Drury. Efaz Sawan Ejaz. Nizam Alahi. Max Emmans. Carl Ivan Isalati. Benjamin Evans. Stuart William Anon. Fahea Fahana. Abiram Gadikota. Akansha Arun Gehwad. Diksha Gaihwad. Hwenli Gao. Snea George. Gituba Richard Jeremy. Gerard Glyn Rivers. Katie Graham. Christopher Dominic Greaves. Roseanne Glynis Gumbel. John Sandash Gutam. Nicholas Guterres Rolon. Konstantinos Haji Gregoriastis. Fawiza Haji Sufre Khan. Hansen Han. Christian Hand. Thomas Harris. Daniel Hickson. Angharad Howden Evans. Huan Ying Hu. Mohammed Moiz Hussein. Asma Hussein. Zeus Jacob Huxtable. Innocent Mwendo Itumo. Harry Jacobs. Asulgu Janayeva. Abhishek Java Anayaka Chalyuvarali. Mohammed Saim Javed. Vijaya Anam Javed. Prem Jha. Jana Javeri. Lihan Jin. Harry Jones. Ilowo Evan Jones. Seren Elizabeth Jones. Sweetie Joss. Matthew George Kalathara. Colin Kaunik. Karthik Kapistalam Chetlur. Tarun Kumar Karadatkuti. Aditya Sunil Kate. Pratik Keshwani. Ravina Vignesh Kesuvun. Vanessa Wumbai Kingi. Peter Lee Knowles. Srinivas Muthukrishnan Kona. Dinglan Lee. Shetien Lang Lee. Jake Lynham. Samuel Lynham. Joseph Louis. Yin Yen Liu. Jay Prakash Machetti. Gaurav Malviya. Gaurav Manjunatha Nayaka. Durgesh M.J. Thomas Paul Rex McNeil. Saham Mehmood. Hevi Miraj. Namita Mahatre. Kauthar Mohammed Mohammed. Mohammed Afan Shajil, Anushri Uday Moore, Sean Llewell Morgan, Thomas Morris, Hemanth Reddy Mothe, Brinda Murali Krishna, Surmud Mushtaq, Benedict Muscat, Blessing Muwesoloka, Kevin Kingana Murara, Erna Muende, Nayanashri Mysuru Venkatesh, Jatho Sehahan Nadarasa, Praneli Prakash Naika, Tomoka Narita, Wignesh Nayuk, Adam Naylor, Martin Jacob Nisheto, Hajar Nifar, Matthew Newman, Benjamin Matthew Marshall Nichols, Shaina Ahahi Nilkin, Micah Newelje, Michael Owusu Boakeche, Ianoloa Unaiko, Anne Ateo Onoyako, Kevsa Pedo, Shania Patel, Kisholi Perara Mary, Joseph Perry, Anfisa Phillips, Lohith Ashwin Pinto, Sydney Louise Pollock, Connor Porter, Aditya Prakash, Oliver Presede, Saif Usman Quayum, Vivian Astrid Quinto Rubanio, Nuhid Rahman, Tanuja Raja, Shairez Ramachandran, Nishita Ravandra, Sathwath Ravila Sinavasan, Mindriz Udin, Ella Rigard, Hassan Rehman, Timothy Reynolds, James Reardon. Which one? Rishhub. 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 Jyoti Roy. Varsha Roy. Sean Russell. Mohammed Said. Nea Sadaisum. Dr. George Moyenda Saljeni, Sharia Sakanya, Anu Ruth Sulwi, Bilkis Shabi, Alia Shaz, Boran Shenhoy, Matthew James Shepherd, Maxim Shmai-Chagin, Heather Spill, Suburi Girish Srenigvasan, Unkit Srivastava, Sinchana Hosadruga Sinhrida, Miguel Tedo, Kurim Nagirov, Yeran Tao, Zainub Tasmin, Bhavan Thevantas, Jacob Thomas, Bethan Titmarsh, Manish Tomar, Bayu Tong, Hin Fung Sang, Loisos Tedritotis, Lewis Russell Turner, Tobias Upham, Nirunjan Upini, Dilip Venkat Raju, Navina Vinayan, Rujung Wang, Ishan Wakar, Melin Ateno Weir, Hannah Katie Wheeler, Ayun Violet Williams, Shiki Shu, Supaya Thuya, Deepak Yadav, Mohammed Zayed, Ifan Ye, Hugh Yin, Kai Yin Yoon, Tu Tanier, Bilal Zahid, Zhu Zheng, Joya Chi, Ala Jamal Ezwawi, I, Professor Gavin Shaddock, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Philosophy. I can read that. Loic Lorente Lemoyne. The Vice-Chancellor will now confirm the award.
Will all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you are able to. Not yet. It's not official until I do my bit in Welsh. So here we go. Twy ardyrod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol. Dybaniach chi a gael ec dyfaniad a hofrentenau, a thou in a skill, llongyffaciadau. Now we go. Please be seated.
The following students to be presented have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and research, they will be presented to the presiding officers who will doff in return. I, Professor Gavin Chaddock, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Bayan Yassim Al-Muhanda. Dr. Abulaziz Alman Ali. Dr. Reem Mohammed Al-Daferi. Dr. Fatin Sheban Al-Aziz. Dr. Alham Al-Gehami. Dr. Fatima Al-Arani. Dr. Mozoon Salel Al-Athodiyan. Dr. Dimitrios Antyapas. Dr. Valero Bianchi. Dr. Jack Lawrence Dean Furby. Dr. Vasilis Iripoulos. Dr. Ganda Shuka Jamil. Dr. Huanban Liang. Dr. Yuran Ma. Dr. Yasa Mahib. Dr. Charlotte Louise Marshall. Dr. Arij Mohajab. Dr. Muhammad Numan Nafis. Dr. Daisy Helen Ortega Roman. Dr. David William Owen. Dr. Edward Parkinson. Dr. Bryony Ellen Richards. Dr. Leila Catherine Sadini Momagi. Dr. Prachi Sulhawani. Dr. Monique Shorteno. Dr. Zara Sidek. Dr. Jinwen Soon. Dr. Dushani Imesha Pereira Usheti. Dr. Seum Viasis. Dr. Fan Wu. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
You know how it goes now. Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to. Troi ardydod a raddwyd y mi can y brifysgol. Dybaniach chi a gael eich dyfaniad a holfrentiau a ddaw yn ysgol. Llong y ffaciadau.
Prunhound Dar Pawb. Good afternoon, everyone. Pat Young Dwi. Cadairith Kingo Previous Go Caerdydd. I'm Pat Young, and I'm the chair of the university's governing body, the University Council. First of all, can I add my congratulations to everybody who's graduated today. And I'm now pleased to introduce our alumni speaker, Paul Cunnell. Paul, if you could. Paul is a Cardiff graduate and a partner at Mosaic Financial Markets, a specialist financial services consultancy. Over a career spanning more than 30 years, Paul has held senior roles in leading global investment banks, including Credit Suisse, Morgan Stanley and JP Morgan, where he led major technology and markets teams. Paul is also an active alumnus of the university, most recently mentoring current Cardiff University students. We're delighted to have Paul with us today to share some congratulatory words with you. Paul.
Good afternoon, everyone. I graduated from what was called UIST at the time in 1985. Back then, there was no public internet, no mobile phones, think of it. And I had absolutely no idea what I was going to do with my career. That turned out to be fine. I think that you're possibly sitting here today with something I didn't have in 1985, a very specific anxiety. And that's whether the field you've just spent years training for is about to be hollowed out by the very thing you've been studying. I'm not going to pretend that that's an unreasonable worry, but I want to tell you why I think it's not quite the right question. I spent my career in technology, and from the early 90s onwards in investment banking technology. I was on a trading floor when Lehman Brothers defaulted in 2008. My brief at the time was straightforward. I was covering an interim role, keeping things on an even keel until the permanent hire arrived. Then one of the largest financial collapses in history landed on us. Traders needed their Lehman's positions. Systems weren't configured for anything like that. Nobody had a plan. What we actually did was jury-rig analyses and reports, improvise with whatever data we could lay hands on, and try to get people the information they needed. It wasn't elegant, but it mostly worked. And that experience is closer to what a career in technology looks like to me than anything I could have planned for in advance. I also want to tell you about one of my biggest professional failures, and believe me, there have been a few. I was running a project to build an interest rate derivatives valuation platform, the heart of the bank's analytics. The core valuation framework was flaky, hadn't been tested properly. The quant analytics were opaque and very difficult to integrate. I knew that both these things were problems. What I didn't do was to challenge them directly, early enough, when it mattered. The project failed. I moved on. The firm then spent 4 years trying to fix the same problem with a vendor system, and that didn't work either. Which tells you that the problem was genuinely hard. But I've always thought it might have gone considerably better if I'd been more forceful. I wasn't, and that failure was mine as much as anyone else's. Nobody teaches you that part. How to challenge someone more senior. How to say clearly that something isn't working when everyone in the room wants to believe that it is. You learn it by getting it wrong. Going back to the question of AI and jobs, my honest view is this. The graduates who will struggle are the ones who use these tools to avoid thinking. The ones who will do well are those who stay genuinely curious, who know enough to spot when something isn't right, and who are willing to say so. That combination, technical depth, judgment, and the willingness to speak up, is exactly what organisations cannot find enough of right now. A senior engineer I knew many years ago told me that his greatest attribute was having a nasty, suspicious mind and looking for problems. You don't need to know what you want to do yet. I certainly didn't. So my advice is, pick something that seems interesting. Get stuck in and pay attention to what you're learning. Stay curious about things that aren't obviously useful. Be willing to be wrong and to speak up when you spot something that doesn't look right. The good news is the world has no shortage of hard problems. So go and find something that interests you. And I'd like to add my congratulations to you all on getting this far, and my very best wishes for your future careers. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Paul. And you can tell by the applause that you landed the plane there. Don't use AI tools to avoid thinking, learn by getting it wrong, and challenge people who are more senior when they're wrong. So with advice like that, I think you'll all be doing just fine. But back to all of you. Llongyfarchiadau once again. Dych chran o gymuned Cynfewewyr Prifysgol Gaerdydd. Congratulations. You are now part of the Cardiff University alumni community. Woo! Cardiff alumni stand out, and I can tell you that because I've been looking at your shoes and your outfits as you cross the stage. So llongyfarchiadau on your fashion sense as well. Some of you will go on to be very high-profile alumni. Some of you will be quiet, low-key, well-informed contributors to your communities. You'll find your own path, whatever it is, and I know that you'll make a difference. Virginia Woolf is my favourite novelist, and she said it best. No need to hurry, no need to sparkle, no need to be anyone but oneself. And Cardiff has given you more than just a degree. You've been encouraged to ask questions and to challenge conventional wisdom. Paul just demonstrated how important that is. You have real intelligence, not artificial intelligence, so go use it. The Welsh word of hiraeth is made for moments like this. Hiraeth conveys a sense of love, of longing, and of memories. We hope that you'll keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff, where you've developed that sense of cynefin, a sense of belonging. As part of the Cardiff University alumni community, we want you to come back here often and tell us what you've been up to. On Friday night, more than 1,000 Cardiff alumni will be here for the first ever big reunion weekend, renewing their friendships, reflecting on how Cardiff has shaped their lives. I want you to be part of this alumni community, a social and professional network which is with you forever. To that end, next year, the great Cardiff class of 2026, I'm inviting you to come back here at July after graduation for the first anniversary of this event. You're welcome every year after that, but please come back in 2031 for your 5th anniversary of your graduation, and so on and so forth. Hopefully, you'll be back in 2076 for your 50th reunion. I will not be here, but I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Please volunteer, put yourselves forward to be a class of 2026 ambassador. Help organise next year's reunion. Before we close the ceremony, there's a final Cardiff tradition that we need to uphold. While today is all about your achievement, you didn't do it by yourself. So please, stand up on your feet to thank your loved ones who helped you get to this moment. Please, new graduates, stand and face your friends and family and give them a round of applause for everything they did to get you here. Louder! Very nice. You may be seated. Longyfarchiadau I chri Raddodigion Gaerdydd. Congratulations again to you, Cardiff's newest graduates, and to your families and friends. To close our celebrations, we have a film welcoming you to the Cardiff University alumni family. At the end of the film, please stand as the platform party leaves. Thank you for joining us today, and one final time, Longyfarchiadau to the brilliant class of 2026. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheese. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, Nghennydd, Aberdare or Aberconwy I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe. The new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
Cheese drive.
And we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark. Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o hiwmor nes bod ni'n ffoli. People who tried to shelter us with broken brollies. People who helped us find our limits and push them out the way. People who helped us get to this point.
On this day.
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared. A day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roeddwn ni'n gwybod y deiau eto hael ar fryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at our team. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news that absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
Dyma fy mnydd I. This is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30,
40.
Years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment, look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.